Okay, so it's got a counter going. Okay, I'm unboxing. I got this in 2 days, Jeffree Star, with all of the stuff that's going on with him. Oh my gosh, I got it in 2 days. 2 days. Which is remarkable for everything that's going on with him right now. I was almost to the point where I wanted to say, oh, just whenever you can do it, go ahead. Don't worry, I'm not, you know, even though I want it, I'm not going to press for it. So, of course, Jeffree Star's stuff comes like this, in this beautiful thing, with the pink box with the Jeffree Star logo tape, which is lovely. And then this is, it comes with this one. The paper isn't the same as the other one. Oh, but look at all the paper you get with it. It's amazing. So I usually save the Jeffree Star paper and do things with it, like decoupage it onto lampshades or something like that, you know, where I'd like to have some color or something like that. But look at this. Jeffree Star paper. I like the other one. I gotta say, with the tattoos, the black and white one was gorgeous. Love that. I saved a lot of that. Okay. And it comes very nicely packed, and it comes with your receipt and everything. Oh my gosh, look. They even send you a card that you can put on your vanity, which is lovely. I love this. I love the way he does things. He does things the right way. I mean, you know, Sephora, even, you get, it's all just thrown in a box with a piece of paper on top. And so I usually try and get my stuff at Beautylish, except for the things they don't carry. And now it's all wrapped in the bubble paper, pink bubble paper. Attention to detail. I can't believe it. Another Jeffree Star paper that can be used for other things, which I always save. And look, pink bubble wrap. Jeffree, you're just so amazing. Okay, this is my blue blood box, and it's gorgeous. Just the outer side, the outer part is gorgeous. And it comes in like a vault kind of thing. And oh my gosh, this is heavy, it's good, it feels good. It feels like, you know, substantial and everything. So this little lock thing is gorgeous as well. And here we go. That's it. That's the Blue Blood palette. Oh my God. Look at how gorgeous this is. This is amazing. Amazingly gorgeous. And I'm not going to swatch because everybody has swatches out. Oops. And this is the mirror, so I don't want to bore you with my house. But this is it. And as usual, it has a great big mirror that's lovely. This is a really good box that it's in. You know, it'll serve you forever. I love it. He's always on target. And look, Blue Blood, and it's a blue clasp. And it's just gorgeous. This thing is just gorgeous. It's like a coffin, I guess, is what he wanted it to look like. But it looks like a treasure box to me. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's all up for now. And Jeffree, thank you so much. Even during your turmoil, you did a 2-day shipping thing. I love it. Thank you. Okay, now we stop.